All right, guys, I just want to give you guys a quick update of what the situation is going down right now. Literally no problems whatsoever, but I am leaving my job if you didn't see in the last video. Quitting my job. I just put in my 2 weeks notice. I should have a job lined up soon, but I'm not too worried about it if it takes a little bit longer than expected, like 3 or 4 weeks. Anyways, I have a little bit of money saved up, not much, but it should be enough to cover bills for a bit. But anyways, I called the union yesterday, and he said someone will call me, maybe today, I'm not sure when, or within a week or whatever, I don't know, but someone's gonna call me for to set up an interview with the union, basically grab my information and put me on the books or whatever and get me started and enrolled in the program or whatever. So I'm just switching from as a non-union journeyman over to union journeyman since I already finished my apprenticeship and all that stuff, which most of you already know, but some of you may not. So I'm just switching over to the union. Why am I doing this? Basically, they keep sending me stuff in the mail. They just keep raising the money every year, and it's so much money. I don't know why I haven't thought about this before, like 2 years ago when I got my journeyman's card. But anyways, I'm thinking of doing it now, and I am actually making the move. So currently they're paying $50.35 an hour. I'm not sure if that's with or without dues. That's give or take $1 or $2. So anyways, it's like a lot more money than I make right now. So that's like an easy $100,000 a year, basically 40 hours a week and all that stuff if you work full time. So just as long as work is steady or whatever. But anyways, you could basically work the same amount in the union. What I'm saying is you can work in the union. I don't know how to explain this. Okay, so you can go to the union and work 5 less months per year and still make the same amount of money as I am making right now. So anyways, that sounds awesome to me. And I'm not sure everything about the union, but I'll let you guys know as I go. It'll be helpful to the channel, give you guys information about the union versus non-union and all that stuff. It'll be nice to finally maybe iron out some myths and stuff like that about the union and learn the union side of the trade. Also, there's like a benefit wage package of like $25 an hour. So total, that's like $75 an hour. That's just ridiculous. So I'm just excited to try it out, and it was cool. I called my boss and let him know, and that was all cool. And he said, I didn't even have to ask, but he said if it doesn't work out, just like, call us back or whatever. So that's super cool. So I'm excited about that as well, having a backup option. But I want to try it out and see what it's like. And yeah, so I'm excited, and hopefully you guys will benefit from this as well. And hopefully there's not problems like making videos and stuff in the union or whatever, like recording job sites or whatever. But we'll see as the time comes. So hopefully that won't really affect the channel, but we'll see. But I just want to give you guys an update. So 2 weeks from now, which is like January 13th, I think, on like a Wednesday, will be my last day working at my company, which has been close to 2 years or whatever, or not 2 years, but almost 2 years I've been at this company. So I've loved it. Everyone's been really great. And I haven't really had any problems here. Maybe jokes have gone gone far a few times, but other than that, I've loved everyone I've worked with. The company's awesome. They treat you well, and I've never had any problems. So nothing against my company if anyone's watching. If you're wondering why, just want to try it out, just basically for the money and for the pension package, and also learn some stuff about the union and stuff like that. So that is all I have to say. So hopefully you guys have a great weekend. If you enjoyed, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. See you guys back here soon. Stay tuned. So if you want to know anything about the union coming up, hit that subscribe button, and check the description for anything else, and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks guys so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Have an awesome weekend. Have a happy new year. Peace out.